Let's paint a picture together, a tale of two worlds, each with its own rhythm and allure. On one side, you have New York City, the city that never sleeps. Skyscrapers stretch endlessly, reaching for the clouds, casting long shadows over the bustling streets below. Yellow cabs dart through traffic, honking at all hours, weaving between buses and bikes in a never-ending dance of urgency. The air buzzes with ambition, the energy almost electric, and honestly, the faint but ever-present aroma of street food. Pretzels, hot dogs, and roasted nuts. Life here moves at lightning speed. People rush past each other, eyes fixed ahead, stress etched on their faces as they chase deadlines and dreams. For many, New York is the ultimate symbol of success, a place where fortunes are made and ambitions realized, high above the city in glass-walled penthouses. But now, a new chapter is beginning, a story that's rewriting the rules of what it means to live well. Picture the Philippines, white sand beaches stretching for miles, palm trees swaying gently, turquoise waters sparkling under the sun, and a pace of life that invites you to slow down and breathe. Here, people greet you with warm smiles, and the only rush is to find the perfect spot to watch the sun dip below the horizon. It's a paradise that feels worlds away from New York's concrete maze, yet it's quickly becoming the new home for a surprising number of wealthy Americans seeking something different. Millionaires are trading their high-rise penthouses for oceanfront villas, swapping crowded subway rides for breezy scooter trips along the coast. Why? It's about more than just money. It's about finding a better, more fulfilling way to live, where time is spent outdoors, with friends, and in nature. This isn't just a passing trend. It's a genuine migration, a movement of people searching for meaning, balance, and joy. In this essay, we'll dig into the reasons behind this shift and explore why you too might find yourself tempted to join them on this unexpected journey. New York City's energy is legendary, but that vibrant pulse comes at a steep price, one that's often hidden beneath the city's dazzling lights and endless opportunities. Taxes, state, city, and federal, can eat up more than half your income. For many, it's a shock to see just how much disappears before you even get your paycheck. Even the super rich feel the pinch. No matter how much you make, the city finds a way to take its share, leaving even high earners feeling squeezed. Housing? A basic Manhattan apartment can cost millions, and that's before you factor in sky-high property taxes and relentless maintenance fees that never seem to end. Want a view? Add another million, or two. The price of a skyline vista is astronomical, reserved for only the wealthiest. Real comfort is always just out of reach. Even in luxury, space is limited, and true peace and quiet are rare commodities. Private space is a luxury, not a given. Most people, even those with means, find themselves compromising on room to breathe. Traffic is its own nightmare. Hours lost in gridlock are the norm. The city's congestion can turn a short trip into a daily ordeal. Even with a driver, you're trading time, your most precious resource, for the privilege of living in New York. The minutes and hours lost add up, chipping away at your quality of life. Crime and security are real concerns, requiring gated homes and private guards. Safety comes at a premium, and peace of mind is never guaranteed. The city's pulse is exciting, but the constant rush and noise wear you down. The relentless pace can leave you feeling drained, no matter how much you love the action. The challenges are getting harder to ignore. Stress, fatigue, and the sense of always being on edge are part of daily life here. As other options open up, the wealthy are starting to look elsewhere. Cities with lower costs and less stress are becoming more attractive than ever. The cost of living large in New York is higher than ever, and for many the question is no longer, can I afford it? But is it really worth it? For years, the Philippines was a secret among world travelers. Its beauty was legendary, but millionaires barely noticed. That changed when a few adventurous business people shared their stories of sun, space, and freedom. Social media exploded with images of beaches, mountains, and vibrant cities. Soon, luxury resorts and private jets followed. Quiet fishing towns saw new villas built by foreign investors. Private groups and online forums filled with tips on moving and investing. The Philippines became more than a vacation spot. It became a place to live and thrive. The government introduced friendly visa programs, and locals welcomed the new wave. Today, millionaires are settling in, building businesses, and calling it home. Let's talk numbers. When it comes to lifestyle, the numbers tell a story that's hard to ignore. In New York, $10,000 a month barely covers a basic apartment. Think small spaces, high rent, and not much left over for extras. But in Manila or Cebu, that same amount unlocks a world of luxury. A penthouse with sweeping views and attentive staff, or even a private villa by the sea, complete with all the comforts you could imagine. Everyday expenses are dramatically lower too. Groceries, utilities, and transportation cost a fraction of what you'd pay in the US. A gourmet meal for two in NYC, $300 easily. In the Philippines, you'll enjoy a similar experience for just $50, sometimes even less. Even hiring a private chef becomes an affordable indulgence, turning everyday dining into a special occasion. Staffing is another game changer. Drivers, housekeepers, gardeners, all available for a fraction of the cost, making daily life smoother and more enjoyable. Your money stretches further, giving you more freedom, more comfort, and a much easier lifestyle overall. Millionaires here find time for what really matters: family, friends, and pursuing passions, instead of stressing over bills. Top schools and hospitals are not just accessible, but surprisingly affordable, offering world-class services. International schools in Manila cost just a fraction of New York tuition, making quality education within reach. Healthcare is modern, English-speaking, and much cheaper, so you never have to compromise on well-being. In the Philippines, wealth doesn't just buy status, it buys true comfort, freedom, and a richer, more fulfilling life. One of the biggest draws is the tax advantage. The Philippines offers friendly tax rules for foreigners. If your income comes from overseas, you pay little or no local tax. The Special Resident Retirees Visa, SRRV, lets you live in the Philippines indefinitely with a modest investment. The visa comes with perks, easy banking, access to local businesses, and family inclusion. No inheritance tax and no worldwide income tax for most expats. In the Philippines, you keep more of what you earn, and your wealth grows faster. The government has made it easy to move your money and invest. For millionaires, the Philippines is hard to beat. Quality of life is about more than money. In the Philippines, the weather is warm year-round. Forget shoveling snow. Think swimming in the ocean every morning. Even in the cities, green spaces are everywhere. Nature lovers are spoiled for choice. Diving, hiking, island hopping, golf, and surfing. Food is a highlight. Fresh mangoes, seafood, and international flavors fill the markets. The service is friendly, and English is widely spoken. Making friends is easy, whether at a five-star hotel or a beach bar. Healthcare is modern and accessible, with top hospitals and doctors trained abroad. The cost is only a fraction of what you'd pay in New York. You can afford great care without huge bills. Real estate in the Philippines is booming. Prices are still low compared to Western cities, but rising fast. Millionaires see huge potential for growth. Investing in condos, villas, or resorts is much easier than in the US. Beachfront land, city apartments, and farm estates are all available. New developments offer modern amenities, pools, gyms, and security. Rental demand is growing, driven by tourism and the expat boom. Developers are targeting the luxury market with private islands and eco-resorts. The smart money sees the Philippines as both a home and a smart investment. The new expats are a diverse group. Retirees want their money to last and their days to be full of sunshine. Entrepreneurs and business owners see new markets and lower costs. Some are starting tech companies. Others are opening resorts or restaurants. Remote workers can live anywhere. Why not a beachfront villa? Investors are betting big on real estate and tourism. Together, this new community is building a global hub for wealth, freedom, and opportunity. The Philippines is where dreams and ambition meet. No place is perfect. The Philippines has challenges: traffic in Manila, rainy seasons, and paperwork. Patience is a must, especially during rush hour or when dealing with visas and permits. Land ownership has limits, but condos and trusts offer solutions. Internet can be patchy in rural areas, but cities have reliable connections. Still, these are small issues compared to the gains. Most millionaires find the benefits far outweigh the problems. With open minds and a sense of adventure, they build new lives. The challenges become stories to tell, not reasons to stay away. The rewards are worth it. New York isn't alone. All over the world, wealthy people are rethinking where they live. London, San Francisco, Paris, these cities are losing their hold. Taxes and high costs are pushing the rich to new horizons. Southeast Asia, especially the Philippines, is rising fast. The region offers freedom, adventure, and a chance to build something new. Millionaires want more than just money. They want life to feel exciting and meaningful again. In the Philippines, they find that spark. The country is becoming a hub for talent, money, and dreams. The future is bright and the world is watching. So, why are millionaires fleeing New York for the Philippines? It's simple. Life is better. Lower costs, better weather, new opportunities, and more freedom. The barriers that once kept people in big Western cities are falling. The world is open, and the Philippines is ready. Millionaires are choosing happiness, health, and growth for themselves and their families. They're building new communities where dreams can still come true. The real opportunity isn't where everyone else is looking. It's where you can truly live. The Philippines is calling, and the good life is waiting.